Use the graph it right to write an equation in the form y equals ab to the x. I put the word form in the wrong spot. Sorry about that. So let's take a closer look at this graph. It's pretty pixelated and sad looking, but I can read a couple values and create a partial table of values from that with x and y. One of the things that I see is that when x is 0, I can see that y is at 1, 2, 3. This is 4 and this is 5. So when x is 0, y is the number 3. And I can also see that when x increases by 1 unit, that y goes down to the number 1. So you can see the y value decreased by, it decreased by 2, but I want to be careful. I did not divide by 2, right? I didn't multiply by 2. 2 wasn't my multiplier. So I can see based on this curve and the fact that they're asking for something in the form y equals ab to the x, that this is not a linear situation. So I'm not seeing this slope triangle as a slope triangle. What I'm seeing here is that it's just giving me information about 2 points. And I can also see that if I want to move forward in this list, I have to multiply by the number 1/3. The other thing I can see from this is my 0th term, right, is the number 3. That means that my equation is going to be y equals a, which is my 0th term parameter. So I'm going to say y equals 3 times my multiplier 1/3 raised to the x power. And there it is, right? If I put in a x is 0, this will give me the number 3. If I put in x is 1, that would give me 3 times 1/3, which would be 1. And if I multiplied by a third again, the next value at 2, it would give me 1/3. And 3 would give me 1/9. So I'm just pushing factors of 3 into the denominator each time I move forward. So this is the answer.